Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing amazing today. So I ordered a mystery box from Gerard Cosmetics. I haven't actually gotten anything from Gerard Cosmetics in quite some time. It's just been a while. I think the last thing I got was maybe one of their setting sprays, which I do really like. And I've had some products in the past that I really enjoyed. So I was like, you know what? Let me dive in and try out this box. So let's go ahead and dive in. They have a card right on top that gives all the details for the boxes. Thank you very much. That makes it so easy for me. So I actually got the gold box, which is the smallest version. I know, shock and awe, I usually go for like the big ones, but this was the gold box. It was $39 and you're guaranteed a minimum value of $110. Now they go up from there. So for $69 you can get the platinum box with a minimum value of $195, and then hold your pants for this one because I'm almost sad that I didn't get this one now, because you can get the diamond box for $149 and it gets you a minimum value of $425. What the hell? So that would have been a pretty phenomenal deal, but even getting $110 worth for $39 ain't bad. So if you're curious, these are still for sale. So let's dive in and see what we got. So the first thing I see is the Slay All Day setting spray. This is a mini and it is in Jasmine. I don't know if I've had Jasmine before. I do really like their setting spray though. So I don't think that I've had this particular one before, but that's what it looks like. Let's give it a spritz. Ooh, that actually smells pretty nice. It smells floral, but then it also kind of has that like banana boat sunscreen smell. It kind of smells like that to me. Is that weird? But it's not bad. It's not my favorite scent, but it's not bad. I really loved the peach one. I really love that. I had a big bottle and I went through it pretty fast because I love that spray. So yeah, again, we got the little mini Slay All Day. The next thing I see is a Supreme Lip Cream. I have the shade Wild Berry Tart. I think the only ones I have are the like metal crush ones. I think that's what they're called. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. So again, Wild Berry Tart is what it's called. Oops. So this looks, almost has like a glossy finish, but it's very opaque. I don't know why I decided to accidentally swatch it in my knuckle, but there you go. Not bad. The next thing I see is a lip pencil, and this is in the shade Ecstasy. I have had one or two of their lip pencils before and did really like the formula. Here's what the pencil looks like. Looks like it might be a pretty complimentary color. Ooh, that's a really nice color. That's like my kind of color. That is Ecstasy right there. I'm sure that these three products are already more than $39 because I think their lip products are around 20 bucks. So I feel like you probably already gotten your money's worth, if not really close. The next thing I have is a metal matte. Oh, it's metal matte, excuse me. So I have a bunch of these. Let's see what color. This is in a Grape Crush. I'm pretty sure that I have that one. And I do. So I'll go ahead and swatch my Grape Crush for you. So here is what that looks like. I'm gonna be honest though, these were not my favorites. I wanted them because the swatches and like the pictures of people wearing them were so beautiful, but to be 100% honest, it wasn't my personal favorite. I am gonna put this one in a giveaway though, because one of you guys will probably really like it. I'm just very particular about what lip products I wear, and a lot of them, if they're on the more drying side or if they have like a cakey consistency, I'm just like very picky about that. But it is a really pretty color. I also don't wear a lot of purple, so it wouldn't make any sense for me to have a backup of that one. All right, next I have a Color Your Smile lip gloss in the shade Salmon. I have not had one of these either. I know this is one of their like old staple items. Okay, I was wondering. I've never had one of these, so I didn't know how it lit up. But once you begin to twist it open, then it lights up. There you go, on and off. And then it does have a mirror on the side too. So this is like the perfect one to pack in your purse. And that's cute. So when you're using it, it's got a little light. And this one isn't incredibly opaque, which I like. So it does have a little bit of that orangey salmon color, but if you already had like a lip stain on like I do right now, you'd be totally fine to just take this with you. But it's a really cute summer color, and I do like to wear a lot of glosses in the summer, so I think this is nice, and I'll be able to throw this in my bag. You've got a little light, you got a little mirror in it. It's pretty cute. Next I have a Longwear Hydra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Ballet Slipper. I keep showing you guys the boxes, but I think the boxes pretty much look all the same. So same kind of packaging as the Metal Matte, which I don't even know if I showed you guys that, but they have the same packaging, that frosted look. They look really nice. I think this is going to be another color that I'm going to like. Ooh, that's cute. It's like a little pink with a hint of coral. I like too that I've gotten some differentiation here, but for the most part, very wearable colors, at least for me. And then finally, we have a regular lipstick, and this is in the shade Sangria. I don't know if this one's gonna be right up my alley, but we're gonna see. I have some of their really glittery ones that I think are so pretty. So here is Sangria. I have a feeling, I don't know because I haven't seen this color before, but I think it's gonna show up a lot lighter on the swatch. There you go. So there is Sangria. So it looks a little scary in the tube, but it's actually coming off much, much lighter. I've seen that with some other colors before, and when you hear Sangria, like I'm thinking more something along these lines. So this is actually quite pretty, and it's not quite 100% opaque, but I'm kind of shearing it down because that will be really pretty in the summer for like that, I don't know, like bitten, juicy lip. I think that would look really cute. You could top it with a little gloss too. I like that I got like an array of colors. So I got a total of 6 lip products and then the little mini setting spray. So not a bad deal for $39. I'm definitely excited about the Hydra matte and the Color Your Smile gloss. I think the liner is a pretty color, and surprisingly I really like this Wild Berry Tart Supreme Lip Cream. It looks like it's gonna stay more of that shiny finish, which I have actually been really liking lately. So yeah, 4 of these I'm really excited about, and I'll definitely get some use out of this Sangria too. I think it's cute. Like I said, these were not my favorite, the metal mattes, but that doesn't mean that most people wouldn't like them. And of course the setting spray is a decent little size too. So that's everything I got in my Gerard Cosmetics mystery box. I hope you guys liked seeing this little unboxing video. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this little box, and if you're interested in picking it up yourself. I'm definitely curious in what you guys think about it. So let me know below, and don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up if you like these type of videos, and of course don't forget to subscribe before you go. I would love to have you here in my little YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.